Hello everyone. This is Saurabh Misra. Today my topic is chemical equilibrium and subject chosen by NEET chemistry. Okay. First of all, what is the equilibrium? We can define equilibrium by two types. First is the in term of concentration. Second is the in term of rate. In term of concentration, we can define equilibrium the state of system in which measurable property such as pressure, temperature, volume, density are constant. That's it. In term of rate, we can define equilibrium. Rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. Let's see. Equilibrium we can define two ways. First one is the in term of concentration, second is the in term of rate. That's it. So we can say in term of rate, we draw the three different graph here. Basically concentration versus progress of the reaction. Second one is the concentration versus progress of reaction. Progress of reaction. We know if reactant convert into product, then if reactant convert into product, that means reactant is consumed, product is form हो रहा है यहाँ पे. That means we can say here to graph first one and second. That is if reactant यहाँ पे consume हो रहा है तो product का formation होगा. तो यहाँ पे this is the product, this is the reactant. In this graph, as like this. Here, this is product, this is reactant. Okay? In the third graph, we can say here is the concentration, here is the progress of the reaction. That's it. Here, this is the product, this is the reactant. What is the equilibrium? Equilibrium basically, if reactant and product concentration are constant, then we call equilibrium. Let's see. This is first point. Consider A. This is second point B. This is third point C. Here C. At the first point, here the reactant and product concentration are not equal. That means at the A point we cannot achieve equilibrium point. At the point, let's see A to B, ठीक है? Then B to C, यहाँ पे that is the slightly change, not equilibrium. That means at the point B we cannot attain equilibrium. But at the point C, we can see here product and reactant concentration are equal. That means at the point C we attain the equilibrium point. That's it. That is the second graph. Here product or reactant. Let's see. That is the point A. Let's see point B and point C. At the point A, reactant and product concentration are not equal. That means at the point A we cannot attain the equilibrium point. At the point B, slightly change. That is the not the equilibrium. But in the point C, we can attain the equilibrium point. At the graph C, let's see. This is the point first. This is point second. This is the third. A, B, and C. At the point A, we cannot attain the equilibrium. Why? because product and reactant concentration are not equal. At the point B, we cannot attain. At the point C, we can attain the equilibrium. This is the equilibrium. We can define equilibrium in terms of concentration with help of this graph. Let's see in terms of rate how we define the equilibrium. Let's see. We make a graph. Rate versus progress of reaction. Second graph, rate versus progress of reaction. Third one is the rate versus progress of reaction. We can draw the graph here. Let's see. First, this is second. And okay. Then here this is the product, this is reactant, and here this is product or this is reactant. Okay. Here this is product, this is reactant. Then here let's see the point. A point है, this is B point, this is C point. Let's consider here. We know in the in term of rate equilibrium. What is the equilibrium? Equilibrium is the rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. In term of rate, here we can achieve the equilibrium point. Why? Here is the rate of product is equal to rate of reactant. But in the case of there is a no. Here we cannot achieve any equilibrium point because rate of product is equal to rate of reactant is equal to rate of not product. Here we can achieve at this point at the equilibrium point. That's it. We can see the equilibrium. Next is the law of mass action. Law of mass action. For example, we can write A plus B to give C plus D. This is the equilibrium. This is what is the equilibrium? This is the sign of equilibrium, in which reactant convert into product. Also, product converted into reactant. This is the equilibrium sign. Okay? That's it. Here we can see. We consider, for example, this is forward reaction के लिए मैंने we consider rate V1 here. For backward we consider rate V2. That's it. So we write rate V1 is equal to V1 directly proportional to the concentration of A into concentration of B. We can write for this reaction. This is for forward reaction. That's it. Equation number 4. Second is the for backward reaction. We can write V2 directly proportional to the concentration of C into concentration of D. This is the equation number 2. Okay. Next step is the we remove the proportionality sign. Then we get equilibrium constant K1 for forward reaction. Here we get K2 for backward reaction. Then let's see. For first, V1 is equal to K1 A concentration of A into concentration of B. We can also write V2. Here V2 is equal to K2 concentration of C into concentration of B. That's it. Then next step is the we can divide it. We divide the both reaction. V1, sorry, the equation V1 by V2 equal to K1 A B concentration of B divided by K2 concentration of C and concentration of B. Then here V1 by V2 we can say here at equilibrium V1 is equal to V2. That means K1 A concentration of B is equal to K2 concentration of C concentration of B. Then we can say K1 by K2 is equal to concentration of C concentration of D divided by concentration of A concentration of B. That's it. We can also called equilibrium constant. This is the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant. We can say equilibrium constant is the K1 by K2 or concentration of C into concentration of D divided by concentration of A into concentration of B. That's it. Then we can see the next step. Let's quick revise equilibrium. ठीक है. तो we can see here equilibrium is we can define the two types. First one is the concentration. Second one is the in term of rate. We can see with the help of graph how to define the equilibrium. ठीक है. Next one is the characteristics क्या होते हैं equilibrium के. Characteristics of equilibrium. There are two types. First one is the Kc. Second one is the K. Kc is the this is concentration. Kp is the partial pressure. Partial pressure. Let's see. For example, we can take N2 plus 3H2 that is given 2NH3. We can write here Kc. Okay? So we know what is the Kc. Kc is the concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. Here the concentration of product is the NH3 divided by concentration of reactant, concentration of N2 and concentration of H. Here one important case, This is the NH3. Here the stoichiometric coefficient is the 2. That means power. Here the H2 stoichiometric coefficient is the 3. And N2 stoichiometric coefficient is the 1. That's it. Thank you.